Should I talk to debt collectors is a question that we get all the time. And the short answer is no. There's really nothing to be gained. If you don't have the money to pay your bills, you're not going to find a sympathetic hearing from the debt collectors that are calling you. A lot of times the debt collection folks that are calling you are free agents that work from home, and they're sort of independent contractors for the owners of the debt. And I've had a lot of experiences with kind of unbalanced people serving as debt collectors. And if you think about it, it's a pretty terrible job. I mean, you're picking up the phone and you're calling people and yelling at them all day, every day. And it takes a special kind of person to want to continue doing that job. And so, if you spend a lot of time on the phone with debt collectors, it's really not good for your blood pressure. They're just going to call you names, yell at you. It's really... I have some shocking stories about what debt collectors will do. And there's really nothing to talk about either. I mean, they want you to send money. If you don't have money, what are you going to say? Ultimately, I think the best course of action is just to get rid of your phone, change your cell phone number if you have to, and just try to focus on finding a new job and getting back into making money so maybe you can catch up on your debt or move on with your life. But spend a lot of time on the phone with them is not really going to get you anywhere. People always think, well, what are they going to do if I ignore them? Well, probably they're just going to keep calling because in most cases they know that you don't have anything that they can take anyway, and so it's a waste of their time and money to go file a lawsuit against you, because even if they win and get a judgment, there's nothing they can take with the judgment. So, every once in a while, though, they will file a lawsuit. And don't panic. Go talk to a bankruptcy attorney, and keep in mind that even if they do get an order signed by a judge saying that you owe the money, that's really not anything new, and they still have to find property that they can actually take. In other words, non-exempt property.